Most pictures of Jesus Christ are probably inaccurate. So what did Jesus really look like? The Bible never gives us an exact description of Jesus' face, but history gives us clues. Jesus was born in the Middle East, in ancient Judea. He likely had darker skin, dark hair, and dark eyes, looking like a typical Jewish man of his time. And according to Isaiah, in Isaiah 53:2, Jesus had no beauty or majesty to attract us to him. In other words, his appearance wasn't what made him powerful. It was his love, his mercy, his sacrifice. Jesus Christ healed the sick, forgave sinners, and died on the cross to save us. The greatest thing about Jesus was never what he looked like. It was who he is. And he still changes lives today. Comment Amen if you believe in Jesus.